10 very useful ways to stay safe during the coronavirus crisis. In this video, we are going to discuss 10 easy ways to prevent the coronavirus. Thanks to an article by the editors of bestlifeonline.com. This is an excerpt of that article. 17 small and easy ways to prevent coronavirus. You can see the full article in the link here, https://bestlifeonline. Before we continue, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you get instant notification. .com/fight-coronavirus . The simplest ways to boost your hygiene and immunity to fight coronavirus. Number 1. Wash your hands. First and foremost, washing your hands regularly. You don't need anything fancy. Just use plain old soap and water, and make sure to wash up thoroughly and for at least 20 seconds. Think about the way you used to wash your hands in kindergarten, Zeichner MD says. Lather soap in your hands as you sing the alphabet before rinsing off. Number 2. Only use hand sanitizer as an alternative. If you absolutely don't have access to soap and water, use hand sanitizer. Physician Sara Gottfried, MD, recommends hand sanitizer with at least 60% alcohol. Rub the gel over all the surfaces of your hands and fingers until your hands are dry. This should take around 20 seconds, she says. Number 3. Moisturize to keep your skin barrier healthy. With all that hand washing and sanitizing, it's easy for your hands to feel like the Sahara Desert. To keep the skin barrier of your hands healthy, Zeichner suggests keeping up with a moisturizing routine. Overwashing can lead to dryness, irritation, and cracks in the skin. This can lead to rashes and even put your hands at risk for skin infections, he says. And that's the last thing you want when you're already trying to prevent a virus. Number 4. Clean your rings. Just as important as washing your hands, make sure to clean your jewelry as well. Everyday jewelry, such as engagement or wedding rings, are dirtier than you think. Dirt, oil, and microorganisms can live and build up there and potentially spread infections, Zeichner says. Give them a good rinse with a jewelry cleaning solution. Or wipe every morning after you wake up or at night before you go to bed. Number 5. Disinfect doorknobs and electronics. With so many events getting cancelled, you're probably spending a lot more time at home right now. And it's best for your personal hygiene to keep your quarters in tip-top shape. How exactly? Regularly disinfect frequently touched items like doorknobs and electronics, Zeichner says. This includes the more unexpected things like your TV remote, and more obvious objects like your cell phone and laptop. Number 6. Stop touching your face. Contaminated fingers can lead to spread of the infection, explains Zeichner. So avoid touching your eyes, mouth, and nose with dirty fingers. In theory, it sounds easy enough, but it's a lot harder than you think. If you find that you're constantly touching your face to adjust your hair, pull your hair back. And if you're a contact lens wearer, make sure to thoroughly clean your hands before touching your eyes. Number 7. Throw away your tissues. If you sneeze, cough, or blow your nose, immediately dispose of your tissues. It's simple, but it goes a long way. Not only does this action keep your personal germs at bay, so you don't spread them to others around you, but by not reusing tissues, you're also making sure that you don't expose your nose to any new germs. Number 8. Don't smoke. Because coronavirus is a respiratory illness, smokers are at a higher risk. If you occasionally smoke, it's best to avoid it. And if you're an everyday smoker, this might be the best time to try to quit or seek help for quitting. Number 9. Avoid fast food. Having one French fry likely won't compromise your entire immune system. But Joel Fuhrman, MD, author of Eat for Life, warns that there's a larger problem at hand. Fast food nutrition and the high consumption of empty calories create an army of immune-compromised individuals of all ages who have immune systems like 95-year-olds, he says. So for now, it might be best to avoid the quick-fix foods even if they're cheaper and easier to grab on the way home. Number 10. Maintain social distancing. Perhaps you've heard this term thrown around. It's not quite as complex as it might sound. Maintain at least 3 feet distance between yourself and anyone who is coughing or sneezing, notes the World Health Organization, WHO. If you use public transportation, you can practice social distancing by standing near the doors, moving if there's a sick passenger, or waiting for a less crowded train or bus. So those 10 small tips that we can all do to keep safe and maintain good health and happiness.